Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this beautiful floral wall hanging or sun catcher. So let's jump in and get started. To color my resin, I'm going to be using this gorgeous Passion Galaxy glitter from Laura's Art Corner. It's a beautiful holographic glitter, and I'm going to be using the Liquid Diamonds resin for this project today. The Liquid Diamonds is great for projects like this because it's a 2-to-1 ratio. It's a very thin viscosity, just like water, so it really is bubbleless, and you're not going to have a problem with bubbles. You can get it from the Epoxy Resin store, and I have a 20% off coupon code for you too if you guys want to check it out. I'll be sure to link it down below in the description box. I went ahead and mixed up my resin off camera, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial step by step on how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link one of those down below in the description box. I just cut it out of this video to save time. So as you could see, all I did was just pour the glitter and resin into my silicone mold here. I'm just going to let it kind of even out a bit and see if I need to add any more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Just cover it up, let it dry for 24 hours, and then you'll be ready to demold it. I didn't need to add heat or 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop bubbles. It was really bubbleless, so that was awesome. So now here it is. We're just going to pop it out of the mold, and this mold I actually got off Etsy. I'll be sure to link it down below as well. It's a really pretty etched flower, kind of floral design mold. It's about, I want to say it's 6 inches across, and check out how pretty it turned out. I was thinking about filling in the etching on this one, doing like a white and then a clear resin top coat on top of that, but I decided not to because I kind of just like the way the matte finish looks with that beautiful glitter sparkle. So I just decided to leave it like this. Here's how it looks in natural sunlight, no sparkle filter. That Passion Galaxy glitter is just gorgeous. So what I'm gonna do is take my little drill, install 2 pilot holes at the top of the wall hanging, put a few eye screws in there, and then I'm going to install some fishing line, just kind of tie some knots onto the eye screws and attach some really pretty beads. So here's my little drill. It's a knockoff Dremel. I got it from Harbor Freight, and all I do is just drill in, make a pilot hole, and attach these eye screws. They screw right in. I added some fishing line, just added a few knots there onto the eye screw, and added these beautiful Aurora borealis beads. I got the beads off Amazon. I'll link them down below as well. And you could make this as long or as short as you want. It's up to you, but here's how it turned out. Super pretty, right? And it's such an easy project to do. All you need is resin and glitter, and you don't have to add the beads if you don't want to. I just think it gives it a really nice pretty touch. So this could be a sun catcher or a wall hanging, whichever one you want, but you don't want to leave it like in direct sunlight because resin doesn't do too good in direct sunlight, but if it's in a shaded area, it's perfect. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, go ahead and leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will see you guys next week for another video. Bye!